All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade breakdown. So to start the week, we have had some fantastic calls on gold, continuing to take the volume that we saw last week from the US elections. So we called two amazing moves. Today is only Tuesday. We called about 100 tick sells here in Asia, and then we called some fantastic moves yesterday in the London session here live on stream, live on YouTube as well. So let's jump straight in the charts and I'll show you guys how I was able to make about $2,900 today trading the higher time frame and trading gold during the Asian session. So if we take a look at the charts here on gold, if I just replay, I'll just show you guys the position from yesterday's stream in the London session. You guys can go back and watch the London live stream from Monday, the 11th of November. Now, when we were in this very choppy range yesterday, we were saying to the guys on stream, you know, this is your liquidity levels here, and anyone who was selling here on gold, stops were going to be above that high, and we were looking for longs up into that. You then eventually came down, grabbed the lows, closed back above, and then saw this really nice 85 plus tick push into these highs, which we spoke about on stream. You then grabbed the highs, held it beautifully, and then had this incredible about 500 plus tick sell off yesterday. And we spoke about these shorts and the longs live for free on YouTube in yesterday's live stream. So there was about 500 plus ticks on the card. Absolutely insane. Now, we also called these shorts today here in the Asian session to the guys on Discord. If we just replay to the daily close, because the daily is what made this trade so simple. Now, if we get rid of all the analysis for a second, whenever you come onto the charts and you see that the day has closed as aggressive as we saw yesterday with about a 750 tick push, well, coming onto the charts on the following day, your job is very simple. And this is what I was saying to the guys. We've now broken back below 2650. So where is the next target? When we break back below 2650, we've broken this major support. Where are the very obvious targets? Well, obvious previous daily lows, very simple. And then after that, you do have these previous lows down here. And what do you have sitting just below there as well? 2600. So all I said to the guys on stream today is we're looking for this daily to come up, create a top wick, to flip bearish and continue driving down into these lows and these lows here for about 150 plus tick move. And these were the levels that I said to the guys on Zoom in our Asian market call that we do every single day. I do pre-Asian market calls live for the London session and then pre-New York market calls as well. So it doesn't matter what session you guys trade, there is absolutely opportunities in every single session. So don't make excuses saying, I can only trade Asia, I can't be profitable, blah, blah. They're excuses. Asia has fantastic moves very often. So as you guys can see, this was executed on a higher time frame for me here today. I wasn't watching the 5-minute. I'm enjoying a lot of the minute, taking these, 30-minute to hourly plays, and I'm catching much bigger and nicer moves. Sometimes it's fun to scalp, the 10, 20 tick moves, but other times, especially during Asia where volume can sometimes be lower, I love to set my alerts and execute these trades. So we were active in the market chat saying today that this is a beautiful liquidity grab. And a lot of the guys in Discord did also spot this and share this in our market chat, which is awesome, that this was a level where people were jumping in short, putting their stops above that high, exactly the same as we spoke about yesterday on stream. So we're looking for price to come up, grab these highs, and then once you do grab these highs, where's next? Well, very simple. We've already done that on the daily time frame. We have previous daily lows, we have them lows to the left here, and then we also have 2600. So if I just show you guys to where my position was, I executed this off the hourly time frame. My alert was above here and alert down there, waiting for my alerts to go off. I'm not watching this, I'm not watching this, I'm not watching this. As soon as my alerts go off, fantastic. How does that hourly close? Well, the hourly's closed pretty doji. So do I want to short that hour? Not really. I'd rather see some signs of volume, and then amazing. We start to get that volume. You've now formed a really nice hourly evening star where we're reacting off this level. But you can also see the 4 hour is also, hopefully it doesn't skip it forward, skips it forward. The 4 hour is also grabbing the highs, holding resistance, hourly time frame. Skipped it forward. But as you guys can see, hourly time frame then came up, top wicked. I took sells once it started to flip bearish, had my stop in above this high as a hard stop, but my actual stop loss would have been above here. If we had rebroken that, I wouldn't have wanted to be in the trade. And then my TP and alert was just set all the way down here. So I didn't watch this for the next 3 hours until my alert went off, and this ended up pushing into we just skip it to where we are now, and still pushing. Probably should have held a little bit more. 170 tick push, where I took about just under 100 ticks just trading 2 contracts on a personal account, 1,900 US dollars, 2,900 Australian dollars in a single day, trading the Asian session. You don't have to trade 20, 30 lots to make good money in the markets. You just need to be able to execute, understand where price needs to grab, and just following price. Ride the wave of the markets is very, very simple. And I'll upload the screenshot so you guys can see the guys in Discord catching the exact same position, because we spoke about the entire thing in our Asian market call, as well as you guys will be able to see my live executions, and I'll upload a screenshot of my profits as well so you guys can get full transparency. This was an absolutely beautiful trade, executed, walked away, set my alerts, and that right there is how you get a very simple 100 tick scalp on gold during the Asian session, trading liquidity to liquidity and simply following price and executing the trade. So I hope you guys did enjoy the trade breakdown. If you did, or if you have any questions with that trade at all, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to answer you guys out, and I hope to see you on the London live streams very, very soon. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.